Give it a shot.
Okay, so I call this partly cloudy. We have a dream, a vision, an aspiration to compute in the cloud, to pay as we go, to drink by the sip, to add cores at our whim, to write to disks with no end, to scale up with demand and scale down when it ends. Elasticity, scalability, redundancy, computing as a utility. This is our dream becoming reality. But there's a hitch. There's a bump in the road. There's a twist in the path. There's a detour ahead on the way to achieving our goal. It's the database, our old friend. He is set in his ways. He deals in transactions to keep things consistent. He maintains the integrity of all his relations. He eats disks for breakfast. He hungers for RAM. He loves queries and joins, and he gives each one a plan. He likes his schemas normal and strict. His changes are atomic. That's his shtick. He's an old friend, as I said. We all know him well, so it pains me to say that in this newfangled cloud, he doesn't quite fit. Don't get me wrong, our friend can scale as high as you want, but there's a price to be paid that expands as you grow. The cost is complexity. It's more things to maintain, more things that can go wrong, more ways to inflict pain on the poor DBA who cares for our friend, the one who backs him up, and if he dies, restores him again. I love our old friend, I know you do too, but it is time for us all to own up to the fact that putting him into the cloud, taking him out of the rack, just causes us both more pain and more woe. So it's time to move on, to learn some new tricks, to explore a new world that is less acidic. It's time to meet some new friends, those who were born in the cloud, who are still growing up, still figuring things out. There's Google's Big Table and Werner's Simple DB. There's Hive and HBase and Mongo and Couch. There's Cassandra and Drizzle, and not to be left out, there's Vertica and Aster if you want to spend for support. There's a Tokyo Cabinet and something called Redis, I'm told. It's a party, a playgroup of newborn DBs. They scale and expand, they repartition with ease. They're new and exciting and still flawed, to be sure. But they'll learn and improve, they'll grow and mature. They are our future. We developers should take heed. If our databases can change, then maybe, just maybe, so can we.
Okay, everyone.
Does everybody have to speak in verse now?
Isn't it the Shakespeare anniversary or something like that? So get ready. All right, my name's Dave Nielsen, and while I've got my camera, I just thought I'd take a little video here. Everyone say, I don't know, say whatever you want to say. How's that?
Hi, Dave.
Hi.
I'll tell you what, why don't you guys do me a quick favor and just think about some topic that you guys are interested in talking about today, and just tell us what you're interested in. How many of you are interested in like infrastructure as a service or something like that? What are you guys interested in? Anybody? Don't raise your hand, just talk.
Rich and web client implications of pushing our data into the cloud.
Pushing data into the cloud, cool. Anybody else?
On-premise private clouds.
On-premise private clouds, okay. Anybody else here to espouse some new ideas or technologies? Or how about just learning something? Yes?
How do we test all this?
Oh, good question. Anybody else?
How do you make money in the cloud?
Oh, is there a model here to be made? Okay, all right, well that's a good start. I'm just gonna turn this thing off, thank you.